Good evening, my fellow Biafrans. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening, IPOB members all over the whole world. I am your brother. Let me reserve my name for now. I've been watching things that are going on in this country, and it's as if everybody is calm. It's as if nobody wants to talk. It's as if we don't have mouth to talk. No, we have mouth to talk. We know what to say at every given time. They say Nnamdi Kanu have run away. That he has gone into hiding, nowhere to be found. A good lion always fights, runs back to prepare to fight another day. He who fights and runs lives to fight another day. What am I talking about? Why am I talking about fighting? The federal government have to go and provide him. They know where they have kept our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and it's as if nobody is talking, but I will talk. I am the last person that will fear the Federal Republic of Nigeria or the Federal Republic of the Zoological Republic of the so-called Nigeria. You call me a one Nigeria. Me, one Nigeria with you, with Hausa Fulani Boko Haram. I am not a one Nigeria with them, God forbid. When you get married to a woman, and the woman said to you, "Oga, I'm not more interested, you cannot take care of me," what should happen? I have to let her go. I thought as much. Why they must have allowed us and then caged us and then chained us into being one Nigeria is because of one or two things. Maybe our oil. Marginalizing us every day by day. Since 1914. The hatred have been there. The Britain came and brought us together. I said, "Oh yeah, you. I don't understand why I said and why our leader said they are black monkeys. They reason like black monkeys. Common brain or Hausa man no get brain. We don't have the same culture. We don't eat the same food. We don't dance the same way. We don't communicate the same way. We don't behave the same way. Why must we be together? All of us have been like that. It's just like we are ignorant and we have been blind until this man called Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came and opened our eyes. I made the whole youth to understand that we have every right. We have right to what belongs to us. And you said restructuring. What is restructuring? Is it the best alternative? Restructuring should still be with the idiots that call themselves Hausa Fulani Boko Haram. I don't believe in restructuring. What I want is Biafra, nothing more, nothing less. Every Biafra all over the world should take note. There can never be any election in Anambra State. I know they still have their normal way of routine. They have the way of doing magamago. At the end, they will still put up the Willie Obiano as the new governor. The man that have killed our people. Go to Mpo. How many times will I call and mention? How many of our people have they been killed? How many people have they slaughtered like animals as if they are goats? Now you now came with another tactics of depopulating the southeasterners by injecting. Now the federal government is denying that they never sent anybody. They never sent anybody to inject. Just imagine the rubbish. While this was a plan by the Boko Haram Fulani Willie Obiano just to depopulate our people. Because they know that they have come to an end. Listen to me and listen well. Wherever you are, you call yourself a southeastern governor. I'm talking to you. What I call yourself David or Mahia, we find a here and whatever name they call you, OKZ, Pepe and so and the Rochas Okraus and whatever. I don't fear anybody. The only thing you do and you can do is to still find me, jail me, kill me, the same way you have been killing others. Your blood are still stay. Mind you that anything you do, you have children after you that will still take off from where you have stopped. And anything you do, the Bible said the sins of the father shall be visited upon the children, unto the fourth generation. What rubbish is this? Why will you kill people that are protesting? If we agitate, you kill us. If we protest, you kill us. Don't we have self-determination again? Don't we have free right to talk? Don't we have right to express our feelings? You made our leader a hero by even arresting him at the first place. Taking him to prison. From prison, he came and he made him a hero. How will you sustain him and say he will not talk with people, he will not, a prince for that matter? Now this other Sunday again, they invaded into his compound, carrying list of generator, stole different things. and you say we shouldn't talk. What nonsense is that? You call yourself a governor. Thunder go fire. Wetin dey kill una na kidney and liver problem. I dey tell you truth o. Wetin go kill una na liver and kidney problem. Una no go die one day o. Una go die slowly, slow by slow. All of una wey call una governors, call una president. After all, I'm not even a Nigerian. I'm not a Nigerian. I don't have any business with Nigerian.